bad. Our ship has sink. What's this? I don't know. Who's that? Aaliyah, who is it? Aaliyah, who is it?
Yeah, I'm Brixx. I'm here to collect some Robux. You know, those Robux you owe for losing the Battleship game? Are they understanding what I'm saying? Is my breath hot? Is any of this ringing a bell?
Oh, that what it was. Sorry, I didn't read that.
You didn't what?
Well, we don't have any Robux to get.
Well, what are we gonna do about this?
Oh, I have an idea.
Oh, you do?
Could you just back up like 2 feet?
Oh, you gotta... Okay, what's this about?
You see, Aaliyah? It's all about the fluids.
What the was... Hey, I thought you were about to leave me hanging. That was a good one. What the... Okay.
Let's go play Ghost Away. Okay, yeah, let's go.
What? They want to play games like that and not give me my Robux? Okay.
5 minutes later.
They think I'm playing around. Yeah.
What was that?
Here we go. Just open this door. Come on, children. I just wanna talk. Don't be scared. Here I come. Oh yeah! See? This is what happens when you don't open the door and give me my Robux. That's all I wanted. I told you that's all I wanted. Was my Robux. But now you had to go ahead and take the door in my face. So now I'm gonna make you give me those Robux because you owe it to me. They're not yours no more. You should have read. Now it's time. You better get your pockets ready. Let's do this. Let's go. Oh, why are you running? Oh, I'm coming. Ah! What is this? What are y'all doing? Oh, you think that's gonna do something to me? You ain't doing nothing because I got this. That ain't doing nothing. Nerf bullets don't touch me.
Kid, let's get out of here. Our bullets don't work. Let's go.
Yeah! You better run. Get up them steps. This is my house now. I own this. Kind of a nice house. Ooh, what they got in the fridge? Let's check that out.
How can we beat him? I think all he wants is his Robux.
While you guys are up there trying to figure out a plan, I'm gonna be in your fridge. Ooh. Is that yogurt? Oh my god! They got the juicy scooters!
Well, let's give it to him. Now how are we gonna do that?
Hey, you know what? I'm not even gonna go to the grocery store no more. I'm just gonna come here. Is that cool? Yeah, it's cool. You still owe me Robux. Of course it's cool. Eating all the food. Eating all the food. Eating all the food. Yeah, so good.
You get on the computer and give him the Robux. Got it. And I'll hold them all.
Whoa, slow down there, hero. What is this, your last stand? What are you two gonna hold hands? Oh wait, hold on, this is so cute. Are you gonna turn into Power Rangers or somehow summon Voltron? It don't matter. Give me my Robux. winner, chicken dinner!
Hold them off a little bit longer. Aaliyah, hurry up! I got it!
Whoa, what the? Oh, okay. So you paid up, finally. Don't do this again next time. But I got a feeling I'll be back.
Next time we'll be ready. Yeah! What's going on? Could you just back up like 2 feet?
Oh yeah, he is there.